Hola amigos, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We finally arrived here in Moalboal on Cebu after 1 hour flight and 4 hours driving with a van here at this beautiful place. This is our suite right here. It's just a super small place, but we're actually just going to sleep there and maybe editing some stuff. And most of the time we are out exploring the island, and yeah, let's see what's going on here in Moalboal. We just came back from the beach where we went diving and snorkeling with a lot of sardines, and I've never seen so many fishes anywhere on this planet like here in Moalboal. It's crazy. You can dive just through them and they're going away. But there are also a lot of our people because it's one of the main attractions here, but it's definitely worth it. Unfortunately, we haven't seen any tunnels so far, but I hope we're gonna see them in the upcoming days. We will definitely go snorkeling and diving there on our days as well. We just booked our canyoneering tour here on Moalboal, and this was one of the main reasons I want to go to Moalboal, to be honest, because it seems like a lot of fun. Jumping from cliffs from 2 to I think 40 meters high. Now the sun just came out a little bit more and we decided to go taking some photos here in this area right around Moalboal and exploring the city. So let's go. You can do a lot of different stuff here. Like we already went snorkeling and to the canyoneering. So I decided to also do a freediving course, which I always want to learn, like with proper breath holding techniques and how to dive deep. So I just booked it, and it starts in around 1 hour. So I just grab my stuff and go to the diving spot. I just came back from freediving. It was an awesome experience, and even though it was just a discovery course, I learned how to equalize properly and hold your breath longer. It's quite loud around here, sorry for that. And yeah, basically it was an awesome experience. I'm really into it and would love to do it more often. Now we have to pack because we're heading back to Cebu and stay there for one night, and tomorrow we are flying to the next island on the Philippines, which is Palawan. We've just arrived in Palawan after one night in Cebu, and yeah, Cebu wasn't really great at all. It was just like every other big town, way too crowded, way too much people, way too much noise. So basically, before I want to end this vlog, I just want to share one thing with you, and that is one of my favorite travel gadgets. And these are noise cancelling headphones like these ones. And I just found them for myself just before this trip to the Philippines. I never thought it would be such a game changer, but yeah, I just invested in them, and it makes not only the flight but also the transportation here on the Philippines when you're going from A to B with a shared van or a taxi. Really chill, because you just can listen to your podcast or watch a Netflix series, and this makes the whole journey much more enjoyable. You don't have all the noises around. The traffic here is very loud. all the what's it called, beeping, you know what I mean, is super loud, especially here in Asia in general. So noise cancelling headphones was an absolute game changer for me. And if you're looking for a good travel gadget which you didn't have already, you definitely should check out noise cancelling headphones. I will link mine in the video description so you can check them out. And if you like this video, I really appreciate if you hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.